TuSimple is a global self-driving truck company based in San Diego, California. With a mission to improve safety and efficiency in the trucking industry, TuSimple leverages advanced technology to develop autonomous freight operations. The company's technology is designed to perceive and react to the driving environment more quickly and accurately than human drivers, even in tough weather conditions. TuSimple's goal is to revolutionize the $4 trillion global truck freight market. TuSimple's autonomous driving solution relies on several key features. Its camera-centric perception allows for a 1,000-meter viewing range, far surpassing traditional LiDAR systems. The company's high-definition digital map, updated in real time, provides a detailed understanding of the road network. Additionally, TuSimple's autonomous relay convoy system enables one lead truck to guide following trucks, reducing labor costs. The system's robustness is heightened by its ability to operate both day and night, as well as in various weather conditions. As a B2B company, TuSimple doesn't disclose its pricing publicly. The cost of using TuSimple's technology depends on various factors, such as the size of the fleet, the nature of the routes, and the specific needs of the client. However, TuSimple aims to reduce transportation costs by increasing safety, efficiency, and capacity. By reducing the need for human drivers, the company believes it can save its clients significant money in the long run. TuSimple's technology is particularly beneficial for long-haul trucking, where it can maximize efficiency and reduce human error. It's also ideal for companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint, as autonomous trucks can be programmed for optimal fuel efficiency. Additionally, industries that rely heavily on overnight shipping, such as e-commerce, could greatly benefit from the 24/7 operation capability of autonomous trucks. Lastly, sectors with high driver turnover rates would find value in an autonomous fleet that doesn't require rest or suffer from fatigue. TuSimple's technology offers several advantages. Its autonomous trucks can operate around the clock, boosting productivity. The company's advanced technology reduces the risk of accidents caused by human error, enhancing safety. With its camera-centric perception, TuSimple's solution provides a longer perception range than traditional systems. Moreover, the technology is designed to operate in various weather conditions, ensuring reliability. Lastly, by reducing the need for human drivers, TuSimple could help address the driver shortage in the trucking industry. However, TuSimple's technology also has limitations. Regulatory approval for autonomous trucks is still pending in many regions, which could hinder expansion. The initial cost of implementing the technology can be high, and full autonomy may not be achievable in complex urban environments. There's also a risk of job displacement for truck drivers and potential cybersecurity threats. Lastly, while the technology has been tested extensively, it has not yet been proven at a large scale in the real world. In conclusion, TuSimple's autonomous trucking technology holds significant potential for transforming the freight industry with advantages in safety, efficiency, and capacity. However, there are hurdles to overcome, including regulatory approval and potential cybersecurity threats. The technology could also bring about social implications, such as job displacement. Despite these challenges, TuSimple is at the forefront of an industry that is likely to play a crucial role in the future of transportation. Thank you for taking the time to learn about TuSimple. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of cutting-edge technologies. See you in the next video.